Hello, my name's Clinton Jaffray. I'm a partner in a small Tasmanian business called Productivity Improvers. My partner Michael Bonney and I refer to ourselves as business improvers, and we look at businesses holistically, not just the bottom line. We do this by using lean principles, an approach taught to us during our time working at Caterpillar. It goes back to the days of Henry Ford, but was refined by Japanese companies after World War II when things were tight and the only resource the Japanese had left was its people. While much of what you might have heard about lean in the past makes you think it's about mass production, you will learn that lean principles work irrelevant of your industry or the size of your business. There are two sides to the lean coin, lean tools and lean culture. And it's the culture that has the biggest impact on all the improvements that lean creates. The core idea is to maximize customer value, minimizing waste. Simply put, lean means creating more value for the customer. A lean organization understands customer value, focusing its key processes to continuously improve. The ultimate goal is to provide value to the customer through the elimination of waste. After learning to see the waste in their business, the results to our clients' bottom line, viability and staff morale continue to amaze me every day. One of the main challenges our students have is accepting that adopting lean is simple. Some of the world's leaders in continuous improvement talk about making 2-second improvements every day. You'll learn more about this during our classes. All you need to remember is that it's not complicated, it is for everyone, and you can start today. All you need is our help to see.
Here we have Jason from the PFG group. Jason has got an idea around electrical cords and some of the problems they were having around that, and one of the fixes that they put in place. What happened, Jason?
So a lot of our power leads were running across the ground like this. End up getting all tangled around your job, tripping over it. They were a real trip hazard. So what we kind of came up with was, well, we go for a retractable option, which was a bit of an added expense, but the lead always ended up on the ground anyway. So what we've come up with is an overhanging lead to a set length with a couple of pulleys, and we put a bit of a weight on the other end. I can now use this lead, plug it in, and I've got a set amount of room I can come out and use it, and it should semi-retract back to its original location, eliminating any trip hazards.
Awesome job. Thanks very much.
Cheers.
Hi, my name's Michael Bonney and I work with Clinton in delivering training of lean. Lean is not one approach, but a set of principles through which you examine every part of your work. To do this, we provide you with a range of lean tools, and through the training you will learn what tool or combination of tools you can use to measure, monitor and continuously improve the work you do, the time it takes and the resources used. But for us, lean is mostly about people and culture. You're going to learn about a key principle: develop people. Irrelevant of what work you're doing, how large or complex your business, none of it happens without people. If the people don't feel respected, they don't have the knowledge they need to do their job to the very best of their ability. They will drag each other down and may break whatever you are trying to create. The tools you'll be learning about place people first, their safety, their engagement and their commitment through involvement. When this happens, then the quality of your product or service, the velocity or the rate at which you can deliver it, and how much of it all costs will all point in the right direction. We call it PQVC, people, quality, velocity and cost. In our business, we measure everything that way. Here's an example of how that approach can change people's lives at work and at home.
So what we do is we manufacture sports supplements, and there's around 200 different products that we produce, we manufacture, and then we're an online company. We sell to the Australia-wide.
Based out of where?
We're in Grove in Tasmania there. Look, it's been a fantastic journey. I'd say the biggest thing it's given me is a vision, an overall vision for the company, and for the manufacturing of our Bioflex Nutrition. Basically, before I started this project, I would say I had no idea what I was doing in my management role. I was faced with a situation where we had a production room that was fairly chaotic and disorganised. And through going through this lean procedure, this 6 months of this course, it's given me a way of viewing things that has allowed me to bringing a lot of structure into the room, and we've got a lot of organisation and structure now. We've got processes being done in particular areas, tools for those processes in those areas. We've got no need to share things around and lose tools and scrounge around for things anymore. Everyone's got what they need at the stations that they're working at, and it has just completely transformed us. Yeah, look, it's kind of transformed the way we've looked at things and do things now. Traditionally, we've been around for roughly 8 to 10 years, and we're growing at a continual annual rate of 20% growth. And traditionally, what we've done with that growth is we've thrown more staff and more equipment at all our different areas, so our manufacturing in particular. What this lean process has been able to do for us is to no longer throw staff and machinery at this continual growth, but actually just stabilise and organise what we do have and make it far more efficient. So what we've done is, over the last 6 months, we haven't had to employ any more people. In fact, what we've done is, with the 13 manufacturing staff we do have, we've knocked 4 hours off each one of those staff members a fortnight. And so we're now back to manufacturing only 4 days a week. And we went from 80 hours a fortnight for each staff member down to 76 hours a fortnight. And we said, hey, we're doing such a good job, we're going to keep your pays at that same level, but you're going to work less. So obviously staff are very happy about that. It's fantastic. There's been some good buy-in from staff. One thing I've really tried to do is involve staff in this process, and it's, you know, there's been some challenges along the way, of course, but in general it's gone very smoothly, and staff have bought into the whole thing very well.
Lean is now being applied in all sorts of businesses across Tasmania. We're working with retailers, local government, large and small manufacturers and GBEs. Our students undertake projects within their workplace, which requires them to engage their colleagues, so it's a joint effort. Our students tell us a key part of their learning comes from the business visits that we undertake. Seeing Lean in action in a range of different settings helps us understand how we can apply the principles anywhere. We recently visited Japan. It's always inspiring to see the experts, and I took away 2 key messages that I would like you to think about. If your people are well trained, then trust them. Do you fully trust your staff? If not, you're wasting time, energy and resources on managing them instead of everyone being as highly productive and satisfied as you could be. Lean will make you examine your own behaviour and what you might do differently. Quality equals trust equals survival. By involving your people and delivering quality products or services, you'll be trusted by your customers and your business will continue to survive and thrive.
We hope this has provided you a bit of an understanding about what Lean can do. Lean is about taking away those daily struggles. It's about making your job easier. We teach people how to see the 9 wastes. We call it learning to see. And once you learn to see waste, it will change the way you think forever. Thanks for watching.